So many gave their lives to gain freedom, but we treat it carelessly. To those born free and the millennials, Freedom Day means nothing but another holiday to have a large meal and watch TV if there's no load shedding. It's high time as a country that we sit down and think deep what the real meaning of this day is to the black child. Apartheid was deep to the core. It cut deeper than simply having restricted choice. It made one look at himself and feel like the earth's filth. The institution was depressing and separated people from people. Black people were the most affected by this institution and had to suck up the pain it brought. It was difficult as a parent to leave your own children with granny in the dusty poverty-stricken townships to go and raise the madam's children. What would become of our own children? No one cared. Being called a house girl when you were 40 to 60 and a garden boy was surely an insult, but to the oppressor it was the norm, for they believed that a fully grown black man would only equate to an